When IShowSpeed toured Africa, people cheered, some others criticized, others argued, but almost everyone missed the point. This wasn't just about a streamer visiting Africa, but it was about what the world saw and what Africa on its own forgot it had. People said it brought unity. They said it showed Africa is not what the internet thinks. They said it exposed beauty, joy, and culture. And yes, that part is true, but it is only the surface. Now, here is the uncomfortable truth. Africa didn't suddenly become beautiful because a streamer arrived. Africa was always alive. What only changed was who was behind the camera, who held the camera. For decades, Africa has been shown through foreign lenses. It's either war, poverty, helplessness, or chaos. But IShowSpeed didn't come with a script. He came with curiosity. And that alone changed the entire narrative. The tour proved something very dangerous. Narrative is power. It is not about money. It is not about resources or even population. Millions and millions of people saw Africa the way it is. The people, the culture, the laughter, not through filters, not through NGOs or documentaries, just life. This particular exposure came not from the government, but from a young creator with a phone. That should wake you up, guys. That should wake you up. But here is the part that hurts a little. It took an outsider to remind Africans of their own normalcy. Very many Africans were surprised by what they saw. Their own streets, their own people, their own energy, their own humanity. Yes, the tour created unity. But unity was not the achievement. Visibility was. When people sees you as human, connection follows naturally. Because unity doesn't come from speeches. It comes from shared realities. If one streamer can change the whole perception in just a few days, what does that say about media control, about storytelling, about who gets to define reality? Africa doesn't need saving. It needs ownership of its own narrative. More cameras, more storytelling, more unapologetic presence. The tour wasn't about IShowSpeed. It was about exposure without permission. It proved that the world doesn't hate Africa. They just don't see it. And once people sees you clearly, you will no longer have to beg to be respected. I hope you get the message. Till next time, peace and love.